morning, folks, reporting live from the Mother of President State, located in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Headed today towards Bryce Resort, located in Basye, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 500 feet of vertical. Today we have 8 total trails there at the resort, and all 8 are going to be open. So this is the second straight weekend where a Mid-Atlantic mountain or hill has had all trails open. So pretty excited to get out here. This is the hill where it all started, right? Man went online, bought a camera, decided to just bring the camera with them. I appreciate y'all crossing state lines with me, all these miles together. I feel like we've traveled quite the distance. But we're going to be giving Bryce Mountain today a shred score. It was a 2.9, right? It might be able to get higher. So we've never had a bump up before. Maybe that's new to the rating system. I just added it this morning. Looking forward to getting out on the hill, shredded some turns, and let's get ripping. All right, folks, well, we've made it to Bryce Mountain, and we're dealing with a little bit of an ice storm here, so this is kind of interesting. Not rain, not snow, we got ice, but we're still gonna head out there. Got these new goggles, check them out, courtesy of Lucas Catania and the Stoke Squad. We've been blessed with the conditions so far, so I guess we deserve this a little bit, right? But we're gonna be using a low light lens today, so hopefully I'll be able to see out there, and we're gonna put these Stoke Squad goggles to the test. Alright, we're going to do a little top to bottom run here at Bryce Resort. Take the blue square that's open, Bootlegger, I believe is the name. Alright, take you for a ride here in Virginia. It's like a Virginia POW day out here, it's unbelievable. Who would have thought, right? But this is one of my favorite trails here at Bryce. Alright, here we go. Skiing nice right now. Oh, that top snow, it's just skirting off. It's so nice for Virginia. You cannot beat this. Short and sweet here at Bryce, Virginia, but that's what it's all about, right? It's all about getting turns in, especially with these conditions. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Bryce Mountain here in Basye, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Had a little mini Virginia POW day. So I called it in the past the Learner's Paradise. It's really the best place in the region to get your first turns in, or if you've never skied before, then this place is where it's at. You know, Bryce Mountain's one of those mountains that has charm, it's got character, it's got an airport here if you're a pilot. No air traffic control. It had a 2.9 shred score, so no new score today. It didn't get upgraded. Headed next week to Camelback Mountain there in the Poconos. Looking forward to getting to my next hill, and I'll see y'all next time.